Do you guys want to know how to make this art? Or this? Or maybe even this? Well, you came to the right place. But first, let me tell you what this channel is all about. So this is gonna be my first video in this channel. Now you may not know what this channel is all about, so let me introduce myself. If you don't know me, my name is Rin and I mainly post art tutorials. Though I'm not really good at giving advice, I at least want to try it. If it does work out later, I don't really think I'm qualified to giving advice since I'm pretty bad at it. I'm also bad at communicating and don't really have a life outside, which is why I wanted to make other type of content besides art tutorials. Originally, I'm a fan artist. I only draw characters that already exist. Yes, I know. Pretty original, right? Since I only draw characters that already exist, I want to make a content related on being a fan artist. I still have a rough idea on what kind of video I would be making. Maybe something like how to grow a following as a fan artist on Twitter or other social media, or what it's like jumping from fandom to fandom. I'm still a bit dazed about how much content I can be making relating to fan art. Maybe you guys can help me out in the comments. I'd appreciate it if you guys give me some ideas you wanted me to make as a video. My art style is pretty simplistic. I tend to not render a whole lot since I'm pretty bad at it. I have some fully rendered pieces in my so-called artist folder, but most of them are pretty experimental, so I can't relearn what I just draw because I'm constantly changing methods for one artwork. I recently made this fully rendered art.
I mean, it's alright, like, overrated as
If you guys want to know how I made that, make sure to comment down below and subscribe. I'm definitely going to make a video about how I made this art step by step. I'm most likely going to be a tutorial channel for art related stuff. I asked my friend what does he think about my strengths, and they said I draw really good poses and expression. Both of them are expressions, just on a different form. So I'm going to be heavily focused on expression when it comes to the tutorial videos that I'm going to be making in the future. But I'm also still learning on how to render, and I still have a long way to go until I can be satisfied with my rendering and coloring skills since I'm lacking in both departments. It's going to be an exciting journey for me and through my videos, and I hope you guys can learn something from me. I still have so much to learn, even though I've been taking drawing seriously for the last 5 years or even more than that. And I have yet to reach a level where the process becomes easy to still have so much to learn. And hopefully in the start of this channel, you and me can learn and reach the level that we all want to be at. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, honestly. Stay tuned for more tutorials coming out soon.